You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce this word, the name of this fruit. If you want to learn more vocabulary, pronunciations, including food names in English, make sure to stay tuned. Many more that are so confusing, stay tuned. There are two slightly different pronunciations in English. The British English pronunciation, which is used more in the UK, is nectarine. Nectarine, with a stress on the neck syllable, on the first syllable, okay? Nectarine. Now in the US, or at least the pronunciation that is a little bit more used in the US, American English pronunciation, nectarine, with a stress on the reen syllable, so you have to make a longer reen at the end. Nectarine. So two correct pronunciations, nectarine or nectarine, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.